go, honey.
This is so stressful, man.
Morning.
Good morning.
We're running late. We're on our way to Douro Valley.
We're doing a picnic wine tour.
Just
so
to
we'll
take a break from the city.
We don't know what to expect. The picture looks really nice, look. We have to make it to the train station in 25 minutes. Sao Bento train station. Our Uber is taking
Our
forever.
Uber driver's not moving. He's just staying on the map.
We'll take you along with us. Let's go. Thank you. Bye.
Whew, thank God we just made it to the station. Let's see if we can grab a quick espresso. Next stop, Douro Valley.
What's like that? You're so cute.
Just arrived and we found out that there is no Uber here.
Yeah. Well, we can take a cab right outside the station. Apparently, there's a lot of cabs waiting in line.
But the train ride was really nice and scenic all the way up here.
Yeah, it was really beautiful.
It's a smooth ride. It took about like 2.5 hours to get here.
You can't book your train tickets. You have to go to the station and actually buy it. Or you need to get an Andante card so you can take the trains from Porto to here. I'll link it down below for the schedules and all of that.
Anyways, we gotta find our way. We just got here and check out the view.
Beautiful.
It looks like a painting or something.
There are many vineyards in the Douro Valley. We chose Quinta de Popa because it is close to Pinhouse Station and they offer a more intimate wine tour and picnic. Make sure to book your wine and picnic tour at least a week before, as some vineyards do not accept walk-ins. We really love the views and the charm of the Douro Valley and wished we planned to stay a night or two.
All right.
I'm not ready to drink.
Well, now we're going to be doing the wine tasting. So they're bringing out a whole bunch of wines.
It's either 30 euros or 40 euros to do the wine tasting. The 30 euros picnic is to have the traditional basket.
Yeah, here it is.
Here,
Oh, perfect.
notes. Okay.
We're having a test.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Try it, don't chug it.
I'm not chugging.
Very classy.
Shut up. It's really good.
Is it good?
Oh, yeah.
That one is a blend from white grapes to white grapes. And some grapes came from a whole plot we have here, at 86, 87 years old, okay? Already exists that plot in good conditions to produce wines. And we do the blend from that wine.
So peaceful out here. Okay. My first time having a picnic.
It's a pretty nice situation.
This is the perfect
my
spot
God,
to have a
thank
picnic.
Cheese, sausages, you have here cold fish. We have alheira, is a typical food from city from here, call it mirandela. Have some bread, some meat inside.
Yes.
We have some gizzards.
Ooh, I love gizzards.
That olive oil we produce here.
You produce olive oil here too? That
Take
is
your
amazing.
time. You have and your bottle,
Okay.
your wine.
Oh,
You have
great.
here.
Perfect.
Look at this picnic basket. Oh my God, it's so
Wow.
cute. You know something? I've never had a picnic, really, like a real picnic ever. I want to buy a basket and then have a picnic in Toronto. Like, you know.
We should do this more often.
Yeah,
look at that.
this. Oh my God, it's so cute. Look.
So what do we got here?
So there's cheese, prosciutto,
Oh,
and
wow.
it looks like a salami, but I think it's like a sausage.
Nice, very nice.
Okay. They have their bread in a little bag here.
Just your essentials.
Aww, so cute. And they have, oh my god, I love olives. And
oh yeah, we've been eating that like almost every day.
And this one's our crab. I guess it's our crab fritters.
Let's see it.
Mmm.
Oh wow.
And this is something else. I forgot what this one is.
I think that's the cod.
Cod, yeah.
Fish cakes?
Mm-hmm.
Mmm.
And this ones are just some cakes. And then these are gizzards. Oof.
What's that?
Yes, I love gizzards.
Let's see.
Yes.
And the bottle of wine that we chose there.
I think we chose the most expensive bottle of wine, but okay, it's not, we didn't choose it just because it's the most expensive one. We chose it because it was really good. The 2007 was one of the good years to produce wine because it was really hot. So you want to crack it now?
Yeah, let's crack that and let's enjoy this with the beautiful view. Just like that. Picnic is done. This huge storm just came out of nowhere. It started raining on our picnic. Our train is leaving in about an hour and our cab has to climb up this mountain to pick us up. We're worried that he might not be able to get us now because it's raining so hard.
I just really hope this rain passes because if it doesn't, we are trapped.
Well, nice to meet you.
We'll send our friends here because
Okay,
it was such an amazing...
And share that movies,
Oh,
that
definitely.
photos, okay? Bye.
Thank
Bye.
you very much.
Nice to meet
Thank
you.
you so much.
Very nice.
Thanks. Bye. Take care.
Here in
double.
Portugal too.
I keep on forgetting that.
Thank you very much.
Take care.
Nice to meet you. Have a nice day.
Finally, it stopped raining.
Yes, we can.
It's the calm after the storm.
We'll make it home.
Yeah, our
We won't
cab
get
driver's
stuck
right
in the
here.
vineyard. Although, it's not the worst place to get stuck in a vineyard.
Okay, back to the train station, back to Porto we go. Honey! Woo! So, how was that?
It was so good.
That was so much fun.
It was. So if you are coming to Porto, we do recommend, you know, to come and visit Douro Valley. If you don't have enough days, then a day trip is definitely doable.
Yeah.
But however, you're only going to be seeing, we would suggest just to see one quinta,
Yeah,
vineyard.
one winery.
Also, you can do a rabiello. It's a boat ride. It's either an hour or 2 hour boat ride. We didn't do that because we didn't have enough time to do it. So we just stayed at the Quinta do Popa, which was amazing. It was very
really
personalized. There was not many people there, so our wine tour was just the two of us. Yeah, pretty much. So
Picnic was amazing. The food was amazing. The wine was delicious.
So another thing is that if you are so taking a cab from here, whoever drives you to the quinta that you're going to usually gives you a card or a phone number so that you can call them back and they can take you back after. So which is a good thing. And they go by meters, so you know that you're not getting cheated for anything. Yeah. It was about 12 euros from here to Quinta do Popa, and then back is the same thing.
I think we'll end off the video here, right? It's been a good day.
So if you like that video, give it a thumbs up.
Subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, leave it down below. And we'll see you guys in the next video.
Bye.